Hello friend, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. What is the affiliate marketing? How to make money while you sleep in 2024? What is affiliate marketing? How to make money while you sleep in 2024? Do you want to make while you're the sleep? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. If you are online first content creator or digital marketer, you can earn and commission by promoting others people product or service. Does affiliate marketing really pay? It is absolutely does. The affiliate marketing sleeping has gone. Start daily earn your since 2010 researching 8.2 million and 2022. The smart e-commission business use affiliate marketing to spread that word about their products to new audience. Those market then receive to pay exchange for the promotion. In this guide to affiliate marketing will experience everything you need to know, including affiliate marketing, meanings how to work and how you start earning money with affiliate links as like the guidelines, the some guidelines the videos providing. What is the affiliate marketing? Number one. Number two, how does affiliate marketing work? Number three, how do affiliate marketers make money? Number four, type of affiliate marketers. Number five, how to start affiliate marketing. Create a website or blog for your niche. Choose affiliate product to promote. How to make money with affiliate marketing. Number one, step one, create, contain the generate affiliate revenues. Step two, turn your visit into affiliate customers. Number four, optimize your extend traffic for more revenues. Step 5, grow affiliate revenues from your email list. But before we dive into our guide on how to make money with affiliate marketing, it is clearly why you should take our advance in the first place, where Honorable one of what the best affiliate marketing. Unlikely others under exchange and marketing goes. We practice what we part and those offshore dance. Our say backlinks in our to top affiliate marketing or we manage service high profile products attach million of monthly and this will lie. But let me tell you select about those. They don't actually sell anything. So do their money towards affiliate marketing. Let's say we exchange teach you the affiliate marketing strategy in use Not only that, but we'll share how to can use the same strategy to increase your affiliate marketing revenues dedication. Before we get into deep, it know sure well clear on reference of affiliate marketing show beginning the stuff will cover business and affiliate marketing beginners. What is the affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is digital marketing studies in affiliate program and commission, promotion, and the success product service. Affiliate marketing provide an advertising service by including relation link and content, etc. etc. The unique referral link, affiliate, earn, and commission. Your established product link and commission for you now need to know basic and affiliate marketing work. You recommend product service will follow right. You follow purchase and product service and affiliate link. You get paid and affiliate. How does the affiliate marketing work? How do affiliate marketing make money? The very important this topics. How do affiliate marketers make money? The income, the potential in affiliate marketing varies widely. Some market earn a few handsome dollar ensure monthly, while others the six frequency annually. There are size and audience and significant how much you can earn in affiliate. Different affiliate program use various payment model which is many called price mode payout without contain drive. The payment mode itself is gold which is get paid. For example, if you promote software service, etc. etc. the pay per sale PPS, pay per click PPC, PPL, pay per lead PPL, earn, cost per action CPA, etc. Type of affiliate marketing. The lot of type of affiliate marketing. I can some information in this video. Type of affiliate marketing differs by market level knowledge about is promoted by program. They have the professional use product service their advertising in sleep industry such as teach service defense commission and loss. The PPC pay per click and etc. etc. The for example revenue for the invite of affiliate marketing reality for inside well relation affiliate and this three type of invoice affiliate marketing recommend for how to start an affiliate marketing create a website blog niche choose the affiliate program earn how to start a website blogs WordPress blog how to make website in WordPress and etc etc HTML and etc. The lot of affiliate program share is sales commission junction CGA clickbank Amazon associate and etc. How to make money with affiliate marketing. Step 1 create content that great affiliate revenues. Step 2 promote your affiliate program in content. Step 3 turn your version on to affiliate customers. Step 4 optimize your extend traffic more revenues. Thank you very much my friend. Please subscribe my channel. Your valuable comment on very important topics the what are the affiliate marketing how to make money with your sleep in 2024. Thank you, best of luck.